So I thought I had cleared up the issue on being a Jamaican citizen, living overseas, and traveling to Jamaica on a Jamaican passport. But apparently, I stirred up a hornet's nest. So let me try again to see if I can explain it. Someone contacted me to say they became a Jamaican, an American citizen. They were born in Jamaica. When they went to Jamaica, they were told to go on the visitors line, and they were wondering why they were not allowed the privileges of a Jamaican citizen. I said, the government expects you to enter Jamaica on a Jamaican passport. I made the mistake of saying, how would they know? And everybody was kind enough to let me know that in the passport, American or otherwise, it says you were born in Jamaica. Yes, it does. Your passport does say where you were born, but what I need to make clear is the requirement is you enter Jamaica on a Jamaican passport. I'll say it again. If you want to enter Jamaica as a Jamaican citizen, go on this shorter citizens line and enjoy all the privileges of a Jamaican citizen, such as staying longer in the country. You must enter on your Jamaican passport. I don't know how I can make it any clearer if this is not clear. To enjoy the privileges of a Jamaican citizen, you must show your Jamaican passport and enter as a Jamaican citizen, not as a citizen of another country. And it does not matter if inside of your passport says you were born in Jamaica. I hope that's clear. I'm Gail. Thanks for watching.